On the night of Saturday, the 19th of October 2024, after 102 to 178 millimeters of rainfall, a devastating flash flood hit the Roswell area of Chaves County, New Mexico, wreaking havoc on the lives of residents. As a result, local authorities issued an emergency alert. The Roswell area was the hardest hit, with all roads in and out of the town being closed for the safety of the residents. New Mexico State Police reported that rescue teams had been deployed to manage the situation, and the public was directed to move to shelter centers.